Hi guys, this is Siddharth and today we are comparing quantities part 4. If you watch all my comparing quantities videos right from part 1, then you can understand it more. In comparing quantities part 2 and part 3, we learnt about proportions and solved their examples, and today we are going to solve more difficult problems. So here is the first example, which says if A is to B is equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8 and B is to C is equal to 1 by 3 is to 5 by 9 and C is to D is equal to 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4, then what is A is to B is to C is to D? In the previous class, we have solved a problem where the ratios are not fractions, but in this example, they are fractions. So from this one we can write A is to B is equal to 1 by 2. Now remember that a ratio can be replaced by divided by sign. So divided by 3 by 8. This can be also written as 1 by 2 into 8 by 3. So here 2 4s are and we get 4 by 3. Now a fraction can be written as a ratio. So 4 by 3 can be written as 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. So for the second one we get B is to C is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. Divided by 5 by 9. So from this we get 1 by 3 into 9 by 5. 3 3s are and we get 3 by 5. So this can be written as 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. And from the third one we get C is to D is equal to 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4. So this can be written as 5 by 6 into 4 by 3. From this we get 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6 and 5 into 2 is 10 by 3 into 3 is 9. So this can also be written as 10 is to 9. Here we have numbers in all the ratios, so we can solve this problem just as the one we did in the previous class. So here we have B in both the equations, and even here we have the values of B same in both the equations. So we don't need to multiply these equations as of now. Here we have C in both the equations. But here we have C, here we have the values of C, but they are different. So we have to make the values of C same. We need to multiply this with 2 and even this one with 2. So from this we get 6 is to 10. Now here we have got the values of C to be same. Now let us go back to the first two equations. Here there is B in both the equations. But here if you observe the values of B are different. We need to make them same. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So here we need to multiply 3 with 2. And even we have to multiply this with 2. So from this we get, here 4 into 2 is 8. Is 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Here we have got the values of B to be same. So from this we can directly write A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D is equal to, here A is 8, is to B is 6, is to C is 10, is to, here D is 9. So A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. So here is the second example, which says if A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by 5, then what is A is to B is to C? Now here we have to write A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by 5. Here we have to assume it to be K. Now remember, if there is more than one equal to symbol, we need to assume it to be K. So we have to write these two. So we get A by 3. A by 3 is equal to K. And now we have to write these two. So we get B by 4 is equal to K. B by 4 is equal to K. Now we have to write these two. So we get C by 5 is equal to K. Here we have to say, here you have to find the value of A. So we write A is equal to 3K. So here we have to find the value of B. So we write B is equal to 4K. Here we need to find the value of C. So we write C is equal to 5K. Now let us write down this one. A is to B is to C is equal to. Here we need to substitute the values of A, B and C. A, B and C. So we write 3K is to 4K is to 5K. Here we have to divide 3K, 4K and 5K by K. By K, by K and by K. So here K and K gets cancelled and we have 3. Here K and K gets cancelled and we have 4. K and K gets cancelled and we have 5. So if we get A is to B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So A is to B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So friends, this is the homework. Try these problems and check the answers with the answers again in the description. And friends, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon beside it to get notifications.